Thanks so much for staying with us for the weather report and forecast. Now, in the Western Caribbean this evening, we're monitoring a cold front that is across Cuba and the Yucatan Peninsula. We can see a distinct line of clouds. We also have some showers and some isolated thunderstorms associated with the boundary of this frontal system. It is moving, albeit a bit slowly, closer to the central portion of the basin, where it is expected to become stationary just north of Jamaica on the weekend. Should be helping to increase clouds as well as shower activity across the area over the weekend. Now, the forecast for tonight: generally fair skies are expected across most of the island. Temperatures 24 degrees Celsius in Kingston, 23 degrees Celsius for Montego Bay. We expect winds on the south coast to be out of the north, averaging about 5 knots, with 5-knot winds also from the east-southeast across sections of the north. Now, the forecast for tomorrow morning: we do have some isolated showers that we do expect to be occurring across sections of the north. And then for the afternoon, isolated showers are across inland areas. We also have some thunderstorms forecast to affect sections of western parishes. Temperatures 31 degrees Celsius in Kingston and in Montego Bay. Now, for the breakdown: we're expecting partly cloudy conditions across most of the area. Expect some isolated showers and thunderstorms in Spanish Town, Maple and Mandeville. We're expecting isolated thunderstorms also in Falmouth. Elsewhere across the area, look for some showers and thunderstorms if you're in Golden Spring or Bog Walk. Look for clouds and showers as well as thunderstorms in the afternoon in Duncans, as well as in Cave Valley, in Richmond and in Moortown. Now, the next few days, we're expecting an increase in cloud showers and isolated thunderstorms, especially on Monday, but we do also have shower activity expected across the west and central parishes Saturday and Sunday. For the marine forecast: on the north coast, the winds are east-northeasterly at 15 to 20 knots, with the wave heights between 1.5 and 2 meters. While for the south coast, we're expecting an east-southeasterly wind at 15 to 20 knots. Expect the wave heights to be between 1.5 and 2 meters. And then for our offshore areas, we're expecting winds from the northeast at 15 to 20 knots, wave heights between 1.5 and 2 meters. And conditions are likely to remain much of the same over the next few days. We're expecting the winds out of the east-northeast at 15 to 20 knots Saturday, Sunday and Monday. Sunset in Kingston tomorrow 5:52. The sunset at Negril Point is 5:58. And that's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. We thank you so much for watching.